In this video, we are going to discuss 8 impressive health benefits and uses of parsley. Parsley is a flowering plant native to the Mediterranean. The two most common types are French curly leaf and Italian flat leaf. Often labeled as one of the most powerful disease-fighting plants, parsley provides great nutritional value and offers many potential health benefits. 1. Contains many important nutrients. Parsley is a low-calorie, nutrient-dense herb. It's particularly rich in vitamins K, A, and C. 2. Rich in antioxidants. Parsley contains many powerful antioxidants, which may help prevent cell damage and lower your risk of certain diseases. 3. Supports bone health. Parsley is rich in vitamin K, which is an essential nutrient for optimal bone health. Eating foods high in this nutrient has been linked to a reduced risk of fractures and improved bone mineral density. 4. Contains cancer-fighting substances. Parsley contains various antioxidants, like flavonoids and vitamin C, that may provide cancer-fighting benefits. 5. Rich in nutrients that protect your eyes. Parsley contains lutein, zeaxanthin, and beta-carotene, plant compounds that protect eye health and may reduce your risk of certain age-related eye conditions like AMD. 6. May improve heart health. Parsley is rich in folate, a B vitamin that protects your heart and may reduce your risk of heart disease. 7. Parsley extract has antibacterial properties. Parsley extract has been shown to have antibacterial properties in test tube studies. Still, more research is needed. 8. Easy to add to your diet. Parsley can be used as a dried spice or fresh herb. Dried flakes are usually added to hot dishes like soup and pasta, while the fresh herb is a great addition to salads and dressings. Parsley recipes. Parsley tea uses 2 to 4 tablespoons of fresh parsley with 2 cups of water. This tea has been used in natural folk medicine as a remedy for treating gallstones, indigestion, kidney stones, constipation and edema, bloating. Drinking ginger and parsley tea is also a great way to soothe nausea associated with pregnancy, stomach viruses, etc. Parsley juice. Benefits of parsley juice may include supporting detoxification by supplying nutrients for the kidneys and liver. In animal studies, the juice even seems to support brain health and behavior by positively impacting neurotransmitters levels and protecting neurons from oxidative stress. Turkey with herbs, parsley, sage, rosemary and thyme. Baked parsley potatoes. Almond-crusted salmon. Garden frittata recipe. Mango walnut spinach salad. Risks and side effects. How much parsley is too much? This herb contains a small amount of naturally occurring oxalates, which can sometimes be a problem for people with kidney stones or gout. Oxalates are found in certain plant and animal foods and usually don't pose a problem for most people, but for people who have compromised kidney or gallbladder function, they may want to be cautious if they notice any symptoms worsen while consuming parsley. What happens when you eat too much parsley? You'd have to consume at least several cups worth to have a negative effect. However, you might notice increased urination or a stomachache if you eat it in excess. Excessive consumption should also be avoided by pregnant women since it naturally has an effect on hormone levels and the menstrual cycle. It's considered safe in normal food quantities, but large amounts or using the essential oil have not been studied enough in pregnant women to be considered safe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to get updates on new videos.